how's it going? Nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn English in 4 minutes. It's faster, easier, and more fun ways. In this series, we are going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer common questions in English. It's very useful and only takes 4 minutes. In this lesson, you are going to learn new, more common ways to ask and answer the question, "How are you?" in English. You probably learned "How are you?" and "I'm fine" in the textbook before. But in the United States, people will usually ask and answer this question in different ways. First, let's review. If someone says, "How are you?" you can say, "I'm fine." I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. Here are some other ways to answer. Pretty good. Pretty good. This means about the same things as I'm fine. Pretty good. We also have not bad. Not bad. You can use this if you are feeling just okay or so-so. Not bad. Not bad. Let's look at my question again. How are you? This is the most well-known way of asking how someone is. You could use it when you want to be polite. But now, let's look at some different ways to ask how someone is. These ways are more casual and much more common. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? You can answer this in many ways if you're feeling good. You can say, good, pretty good, not bad, good, pretty good, not bad. Once more, good, pretty good, not bad. Here is a tip. Even though these answers mean something as I'm fine, you cannot answer how's it going with I'm fine. It will sound a bit strange. If you are not feeling good, you can say not so good, not great, or not so well. Not so good, not great, not so well. Another casual but very common version of how are you is what's up? What's up? To reply, use a cheerful voice as you say, not much, not much, or nothing much, nothing much. This means you are free and able to chat. Since what's up is just another way of saying hello, you can also reply with hey or hi. It's time for my advice. A lot of time when we ask the question that means how are you in English, we are not actually asking about the other person's health. We are only asking to be polite. You should think of this question as another way of saying hello. A way for conversation to get started instead of actual literal question. In fact, when someone asks you, "What's up?" you don't have to answer. Just say, "What's up?" in reply.